Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Translate and immediately granting camera permission so the app can read text. Set the source language on the left and the target on the right. This tells the app what to look for and how to render results. Then tap the camera icon and pick Instant for live overlays or Scan for higher accuracy capture. Once done, point your phone at text and hold steady so the app begins OCR. Steady framing speeds recognition and reduces errors. With the camera live, position the text inside the frame and eliminate glare or shadows. Good lighting improves OCR accuracy. If you need a specific word, tap it to get a focused translation or draw a selection box to isolate a phrase. For complex layouts, switch to scan mode and press the capture button so the app can run higher quality OCR. Then review and edit the detected text before confirming translation, which fixes misreads caused by fonts or unusual punctuation. Complete the process by reviewing the translated output. You can edit, copy, or share results directly from the screen for notes or messaging. If you'll be offline, make sure to download the offline language pack in settings so translations work without data. Finally, if the camera fails to detect text, check camera permissions, restart the app, update Google Translate, or switch to scan mode. These steps resolve most recognition issues and get you back to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.